So the first time that this guy and I talked on the phone, we had a really nice, effortless conversation. We talked about family, we talked about where we were from, friends, so I felt comfortable with him that he wasn't like a psychopath. And also, he was just funny. Like, maybe he was going for the jokes or the laughs, but he definitely made me laugh. And that was a reason that I was interested in him, because he was funny, you know? He was entertaining, and he wanted to take me out on a date, and so he was the one that said, I'm gonna take care of everything. You know, I'll pick you up at 9 o'clock and, you know, take you here. And as a woman and dating, it's really nice to be able to sit back and just kind of enjoy the ride, you know, have like a take charge kind of guy, someone that, you know, can like take a girl out and show her a good time and like know where to go and like, you know, just know how to treat a woman, rather than, oh, I don't care, you know, wherever you want to go or what do you want to do. And it's nice, you know, to just have the man like, you know, take the initiative and like make a decision.